The port of Algeciras, natural bridge between Europe and Africa, separated by only 14 kilometers, has become a maritime benchmark, thanks to its exceptional geostrategic location on the Strait of Gibraltar, with more than 110,000 ships sailing through annually. The port of Algeciras Bay is an important worldwide maritime centre which brings together an enormous diversity of traffic. Our port is the leader of the Spanish port system in total throughput, with over 102 million tonnes and 4.7 million TEUs handled annually. It ranks among the number one in the Mediterranean, both in total throughput and container handling, and the top 4 European ports in total traffic. Traffic between Spain and North Africa represents more than 5.1 million passengers annually. At present, the port of Algeciras is committed to becoming the largest distribution platform for cargo coming from Asia and heading to North and South Europe, West and North Africa and the Americas. The port of Algeciras serves 28 container lines and 2 of the largest world container alliances, the 2M and the Ocean 3. All these shipping lines offer 80 services worldwide, resulting in a maritime connectivity with 190 ports all over the world. To meet the needs of all these container shipping lines, the port of Algeciras has 2 container terminals. APMT Algeciras has a surface area of 67 hectares located on Juan Carlos I Quay. The terminal operates 19 ship-to-shore cranes, 8 of which are over superposed Panamax, along with 61 transtainers and more than 2.2 kilometers of quayline. APMT Algeciras is currently able to fully attend the latest generation of 20,000 TEU capacity container ships. Isla Verde exterior is the most important achievement in our history. The port infrastructure has provided 125 new hectares of surface area, over 2,500 linear meters of quayline, and a detected breakwater with a total length of more than 2 kilometers. Total Terminal International Algeciras has been operating on this port development as a common user terminal since May 2010. It is the first semi-automatic container terminal in South Europe. TTI Algeciras has 30 hectares of surface and 1.4 kilometers of quay lines and drafts of up to 18.5 meters, capable of meeting the operational demands of the latest generation of container ships with its 8 superposed Panamax ship-to-shore cranes, its 32 automatic rail-mounted yard cranes, and its 20 shuttle carriers. With the aim of improving port operation processes, Algeciras Bayport is implementing a business intelligence application called Port Management System, PMS. The PMS is based in the integration of different systems on a single platform. It facilitates information reception and analysis of port operations, permitting a more efficient management and therefore contributing to reducing the cargo transit cost through the port, eliminating waiting times. One of the reasons for which our customers decide to anchor their vessels in the Bay of Algeciras is bunker supply. During 2016, the port of Algeciras Bay was one of the major bunker ports in the Mediterranean Sea thanks to the expertise of our current bunker suppliers, competitive prices, and quality of products. We offer up to 14 different types of products, including low sulfur, RMK 500, and RMK 700, and the latest, the ultra-low fuel oil, 0.1%. Refueling is undertaken alongside with a discount of 75% on the vessel rate for stays of up to 48 hours, and a total exemption of the vessel rate during the first 72 hours at anchorage. There are 6 double-hulled barges under operation and with a capacity to supply up to 6,200 metric tons of bunkers, and in addition with a supply rate of up to 1,100 tons per hour. The variety of storage facilities such as THEPSA, CLH and Vopak for refurbishment guarantees a higher rotation of the barges. We are the most recognized ship repair center in Spain, dedicated to the repairs of engine conversions and general maintenance that represent only some of the many services on offer, including specialized underwater diving services and inspections undertaken by companies approved by the major classification societies. We would like to emphasize that underwater hull cleaning is fully authorized in the Bay of Algeciras. Not only can we offer these services at anchor, but also alongside and several facilities at berth. Repairs can be authorized by the Marine Administration 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, with any emergency being able to be solved at any time, day or night. The transport of supplies must be effective, agile, and economical. And that is why we place at the disposal of our clients up to 16 barges of various capacities that we can handle up to 40 tons of general cargo per barge. Maintaining our commitment with our environment and complying with the International MARPOL 73-78 Convention, the Port and Bay of Algeciras offer the services of solid and liquid waste collection, MARPOL 1, MARPOL 4 and MARPOL 5, MARPOL 6, both at anchor by barge and alongside by truck. The wide range of logistics services currently available at the Port of Algeciras is complemented by the Bay of Algeciras logistics area. The 350-hectare logistics area is located close to the port facilities and is directly connected to the Spanish transport network. The port and the logistics area together contribute to meet our shippers' operational requirements by minimizing transit times and reducing associated cost. In order to help the efficiency of global logistics, the Bay of Algeciras logistics area, in conjunction with Zona Franca of Cadiz, counts on a bonded area and offers attractive financial incentives for companies willing to set up new logistics businesses in the region. We must highlight the evolution of container import and export traffic with our hinterland, which has increased by more than 80% over the last 5 years. The Port of Algeciras is a core port on the new Trans-European Transport Network, TEN-T. In fact, it is the southern head of 2 out of the 9 core network corridors, the Atlantic and the Mediterranean. With 30 gates, our border inspection point is one of the biggest and leading BIPs for perishable traffic in Europe, being the only 24/7 BIP available in Spain. It allows us to be prepared to meet the future demands of the traffic coming from Asia, Africa, and South America. A wide range of top multinational companies trust our port capability. More than 100 years bear witness to the history of the Port of Algeciras, gateway between the Atlantic and the Mediterranean, and sea bridge linking 2 continents, Europe and Africa. The Port of Algeciras Bay, building the future.